This was my first time trying some colored curly clip-ins, and HerGivenHair did not disappoint. I know y'all see it. In my previous video, I showed you how to easily define a curl and how to blend if you don't feel like defining your hair, if you have relaxed hair, if you have heat damaged hair. This is the lazy girl friendly way to do it. You need to style it in a cute style. But this video will be another styling video to show you how you can fake it like it's your natural hair without having to blend or worry about your leave out. Like, this hair is giving. Just look at it, y'all.
This hair color is beautiful. And this hair, do y'all see this hair?
So just stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and again, we're going to be finessing some natural hair. I know y'all see my hair, but we all know by now this is not my hair. These are some curly clip-ins from HerGivenHair. All the information on this hair will be down below, but this is all about what we're about to do to style this hair. Y'all, I wanted to give like the natural pulled back sleek thingy that girlies have been doing with their natural hair. I did it with some clip-ins. So all I did was use some leave-in conditioner on my hair mixed in with some of the clip-in hair. I'm going to pull that back in the back, use my elastic band to tie it off, and then I'm just going to let that hang and do what it do, because we're going to wear this hair down and full, fluffy, natural, and it just looks like it's my hair. Do y'all see this? I take a brush just to tease it out a bit, and this is the state I'm wearing it. So this is style number 1. The next style that I was going for, I thought about doing 2 pigtails, but I was like, nah. We're going to grab a headband and give it very much for the girls, okay? I was struggling a little bit to find the start of it, but this is me putting on the headband. And just like that, we have style number 2. Add a headband. I mean, it may seem so simple, but y'all, it's something to help kind of spice it up and make it a little different than what you've been doing. And it's great for if you want to wear the hair in a ponytail. It gives it a more seamless look because it helps you hide the line of demarcation. From Walmart, the beauty supply store, a luxury headband, do what you do. That's cute for you. It's so full, and I had to do a little shape for y'all because this is very much mine. And just to show y'all what it looks like in the back. That's a glimpse of what it'll look like when you have a ponytail. And the next style is a ponytail. This is kind of like a blown out stretch state, so this is not defined curls, but I still love it. The next one we're going to do is a high bun. Go ahead and take another elastic band and secure that in kind of like the middle of your ponytail. That helps your bun to get a little more volume. And that is the last style for that blown out natural look. Stay tuned to see some of the same styles, but in a curly state.
Hey y'all, yes, this is me in front of a ring light, but I wanted to add this bit in. I have worn this hair for over a week now, and I have not had to use no heat on my head. I'm currently going through heat damage. So to still be able to wear a curly hairstyle like this and disguise my hair and literally fake it like it came out of my scalp, I'm loving it. I'm loving the hair color, especially with us entering into the fall season soon. This hair color is beautiful. And this hair, do y'all see this hair? These are clip-ins, y'all, to hide it underneath, because this hair is like an ombre effect color. If you do have like a natural hair color to 1B, it easily blends in. Or even if your hair is this color, y'all, do y'all see this? I'm so in love with it. I did want to come in and just show you guys how the hair looks defined. The only thing I did was put some curling product in. I would insert what I used right here. And I literally put that on my hands with some water, put it through, I distributed it, and I put the hair in 2 sections. I had this back section in a twist, and I twisted this section. I let it air dry, and this is what we're working with. I love it. I did want to show one more style with this method. The headband has been my friend. This is how it looks up when it's curly. Still manageable, but it is still full to where people would think it's your hair. Look at that. It's so pretty. And I love like the highlights of like ginger blonde that is in this color. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair. Y'all, it came pre-colored. It's full. I'm in love with it. This is definitely something that I will be using and clipping on and clipping off. And when I want to try something new, clip-ins. And I can actually take this off just so you guys can see how the front of my hair looks. This is how the front looks. About scared to show y'all the back, to be honest. But I'll show y'all the back. That is why I've been having a headband piece on. Disclaimer, leave you some hair out in the back and it'll look good, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all because, you know, I'm gonna keep it G. But just know, I didn't leave no hair out. So the hair in the front is connected with a rubber band, and I just put that up in my ponytail. It may not look as bad, but if you do leave some hair out in the back, it will help to kind of lay your clip-ins more seamless. That's how mine looks in the back. And this was just me coming with my week update. I hope you guys find this video helpful. And don't forget, all the information on this hair and the details will be down below. So please feel free to check it out. And while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, to come take off with me. And we're coming in hot with styles like this. So it's time for me to go. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.